Hello friends, I'm PyQt5 and this is our third lesson in PyQt5 GUI Development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create a nice button that we have created in here. Now in this video we're going to talk about the basics of signal and slots in PyQt5. Okay, now what are signals? So signals are used for communication between some objects. Now a signal is emitted when a particular event occurs, and a slot or method is called when its connected signal is emitted. So now we're going to create a basic example on this. We're not going to talk about advanced topics. Now we want to create a simple example. When a user click on this button, we want to print a message in the console. So for this we're going to use signals. For every widget we have different signals. For example, for the button we have clicked signal. It is a pre-built in signal. You can see from the previous video or previous lesson, we have our button in here, and this is the button method. Now for that we need to create a new method, or we can call it a new slot in here. So I'm going to just call it, for example, clicked btn. And in the clicked btn, and here I'm not going to talk about the more advanced topics. I'm going to just print I want to say button 1 clicked. Now we have created this method, but right now there's no functionality for this. For example, if I run this, nothing happens in the console, and you can see it's because we have created our slot or method. Now it's time to connect this with the clicked signal of the button. So there is a signal that's called clicked, and we need to connect that signal with this clicked btn method. So now let me show you. You can just say btn1 dot clicked and dot connect, and in here you need to call your method. So it's clicked btn. We can say self dot btn or clicked btn. Now let me just run this, and we are going to check that it's working. So let me just click on this. So you can see we have button 1 clicked, button 1 clicked, button 1 clicked. But for the second button we are not receiving any interaction because we have not connected this button with the method. So for this I'm going to just create another. I'm going to just call it diff. For example, I'm going to just call it second clicked, and in here I'm going to also print second button clicked. And now we need to connect our second button with the clicked signal of the button. We can just say btn2 dot clicked dot connect, and we want to just say self dot second clicked, and we are going to just run this. You can see second button clicked, and you can see button 1 clicked. So like this you can work with signals. So it was just an easy example, but we will work more advanced examples in the later videos. I will add source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know.